Yan sila Mugi.
Okay, hold northeast guys, hold northeast.
Hotel up yung ano, yung bomb nila.
Sila yung body na sa northwest side, NRT side.
Sige,
Same position na here.
check na lang yan.
Yung bomb din northeast din.
Guys, go southwest more, go southwest more.
Nasa northeast side yung balista nila, nasa north side yung balista na Janice. Pucha, dalawa pala. Visa.
Anong dalawa? Tatlo ata yan, apat. Tatlo yung bumabalik sa akin ganun. May ito pa ako sa west.
Baka naman,
Yo,
may nag-silence.
DPS, get ready DPS, okay? On my count in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On my count. Tanginang yan.
Stacking up yung ano, stacking up na yung siege bow. Stacking up. Ubus.
Ito na, ano yun?
Siege bow, sinabi na eh.
Wag na, namatay sila.
Ay.
Doon ako sa buhay ko. Ano dito ang stand holder?
Patay.
Bakit yung balista nila?
Yo, come southwest. Ilang percent yung gate? Come southwest.
Pangalang balista.
Ilang percent yung gate?
Bomb stacking ah.
Masisira na
Wait,
ata.
wait.
Hindi ko kita eh.
Yung makita sila yung body ngayon, hindi ko makita. 8. Hanapin ko.
Nasa northeast
Sige,
na.
sige. Pero reset mo na ako.
Lag ka, tanga na.
Bomb coming.
Go southwest. What bomb? Siege bow bomb? What bomb?
Go.
Go southwest.
Okay,
go
bigay
southwest.
sa 7.
Pag may nakita kayong damnation, alis na kayo agad.
Masisira na yung dito.
Okay, go southwest guys. Go southwest.
Southwest area, one shot.
Hold them.
One shot southwest ang Terry from HO.
Mamatay yung
Namatay
riggers
si
natin.
Snaps.
Ayan na, shit.
Careful D-tanks, okay? Guys, go south here. Go southwest here.
Trade low. Tigasan naman. Okay, you're running. Ang ng balisa to, 3v1.
Guys, do not hug the wall like that. You're gonna get killed by the siege bow. Go southwest of me.
Makita silang bali.
Yo, east side on me, get ready. 5. Guys, look at me. DPS, look at me. 2, 1. No.
Mounted on balista. Hindi ko makita yung balista.
Get ready.
Yung bomb in south.
Yung nasa east side yung ano nila, brimstone bomb nila. Nasa east side. May info sa ano.
Sabihin mo bagsakin na.
Stacking shish bow ah. Northeast.
Stacking na yung brim.
Brim engaging.
Yo, siege mo. Yo, northeast counter 5, 4, 3, 2, northeast. Okay, go back. Defend now.
Asa na ulit si Bully.
Oy, nakaload ni Rios. Tago niyo yun ah.
Jem, nalot nyo na to?
Karawan nag-loot yun.
Okay.
Naka-dismounted pa ako. Mounting up na.
Dismounted daw balista. Ayun na, sana all may 300 FPS. May 200.
Stacking ah.
Nice one.
Northeast.
Let's hold guys.
45
Sismo
FPS,
ka.
32.
Siege bow nila nasa northeast deep. Northeast deep yung siege bow nila.
Yo, siege mo kami. Guys, northeast in 5. Wait.
Na-cancel ko na, cancel ko.
Oral, okay. Tangin ang hirap i-click.
Brim coming, brim.
Brave on east side. Brave. Nice.
Yo, northeast in 5. 4, 3, 2, northeast. Go back na. Ilang percent yung gate?
So, sa akin yung siege bow. Pucha, dismounted na naman ako.
Tangin na, di nga rin makasilip eh. Yung binabalis ko na rin, balisan nila.
Yo, northeast on main, the gate, Garadi.
Nag-position yung bomb nila, siege bow bomb.
Yo, northeast on the gate in 5,
Another tanasan.
4, 3, 2, 1, northeast on the gate na ako. Baka na.
Northeast pa yung bomb nila, yung brim tsaka siege bow.
Ma.
Hold. Siege mo coming, okay? Siege mo coming. Get ready to dump that, guys.
Looking na yung...
Yun.
Cancel yung brim bomb. Cancel yung brim bomb nila.
Wait.
Palok na lang wala nang pang-reset.
May iba yung nakiklik ng ano.
Stacking nila. Stacking yung siege bomb
Siege bow.
nila.
Siege bow stacking sila.
Okay, siege mo looking.
Siege bow
Ma.
coming And
Yo, the gate is getting breaking, guys. Go west. Go southwest. Go northwest. Go northwest.
alam ko dito.
Saan yung siege mo nila?
Nandun pa rin sa
Northwest.
northeast pa rin. Nasa northeast pa rin.
Okay, hold on, guys. Hold. Don't let them walk in, guys. Don't let them walk in.
Tapos na timer.
Okay lang. Don't let them walk in.
Pucha naman, alag ko sobra. Di ako makagalaw.
Bomb stacking siege bow.
Higit ng iba ng ano ngayon.
Mounted Aulax. Anong balista gaming to?
Bomb coming,
2v1.
siege
Yo,
bow.
siege mo. Guys, sa inside, get ready in 5.
Cancel ko.
2, 1, inside now. Oh, defend now. Ayan na, Silva! Gago, ang layo nyo. Nasa southeast sila.
Ay.
Ayan, Silva, nasa southeast gate sila, southeast gate.
Northeast gate sila, Silva.
Naka-hold kami sa choke. Nice bomb. Kamusta yung siege mo nila?
Stacking.
Stacking.
Ah,
Okay,
nasa
go
east.
back, guys. Go back.
Nasa deep east. Nasa siege bow, deep east.
Sige lang. Yo, hug the tank. Southeast in 5. On the gate. 4, 3, 1. Southeast lang. Okay, back na.
Hindi pa napatay yung isa.
Walking in sila.
Galis.
Okay nyo yung battle mount nila. Gusto mag-walk in.
Hindi-disconnect ko.
Nasa hard east
Wait.
Sabihin niyo pag walking in yung siege mo nila.
GG, ito yung
Problema
siege bow
dito.
nila kay pag
Okay. Yo, east side on me, ready? Step up. Ditang pa, ditang in 3. 1,
siege bow, siege bow.
Okay, baba. Saan yung siege mo?
North.
East. Deep east pa rin. Deep east.
Deep east pa rin sila.
Go west.
Looking na. Looking na.
Siege mo.
Bam.
Wait.
Okay na yung BM nila.
Mag-over the wall ko.
Nice one.
Uy, uy, uy.
Yo, they're walking in, okay? Wait. Sabihin niyo siege mo, saan yung siege mo?
Deep east pa rin sila, deep east.
Okay.
Nag-reposition sila.
Paki-silence naman yung mga pista nila, oh.
Guys,
Dito,
don't let them walk
heavy-
in on the choke, guys. Don't let them walk in on the choke. Don't let them walk in on the
Please.
choke.
Silence them when they're using their...
Only one choke. Tapos na yung timer. One choke lang to. Careful kayo. Yo, east side, get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side now. Oh, na. Yo, don't let them walk in, guys. Don't let them walk in. Get ready defense on the choke. Just hold. No, they're walking in. Def ready. Guys, look southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southeast. Okay, go back now. Go back. Go push. Saan yung sismo?
Deep east pa rin. Ganun pa rin.
Pa rin ako.
Position.
Okay, come northeast. Full push him.
Bigay ko kayo.
Full push.
Ayun yung brim bomb nila, nasa unahan mo, 1K. Brim bomb.
Yo, northeast in 5. Wait. Guys, northeast in 5, 4, 3, 1, northeast.
Ayun sila, north.
Okay, back southwest. Oy, push him northeast.
Going out.
Push him northeast. Boom, mata. Push him northeast. Kill him. Full catch.
Siege bomb nila. Mounted up yung siege bomb nila.
Saan? Eh,
Nasa south side.
Mount up and catch.
Palinyos, patay mo yun. May A3 yan.
Catch. Full catch. Ping.
Going north. Dismounted pa.
Nasa south yung ano
Guys,
nila dito.
full catch. On ping. Dismounted on ping, oh.
putang.
Uy, napya, huwag yung patayin. Black Pearl yan.
Ito si XRPM, oh.
Yan.
Silva, may content ka na mamaya, Silva. Uy, 7-3.